Good afternoon. This is Kirk Langner with you again from Langner Storm Spotting with a most recent update I have put together for the winter snowstorm that is coming through or will be coming through the area tonight through Wednesday. Let's go ahead and get started with our map of Iowa here on our radar. Right now you're looking at an image from around 7:30 tonight. As you can see, the snow is still out in Nebraska, but when we move forward to 9:30, the system is starting to make its way into Iowa. Right here, if you can see my little cursor, and right above Omaha here. Let's click it forward to 11:45 about. That's when the snow will start hitting around Sioux City, Storm Lake, Shaler areas, maybe down by Carroll, outside of Des Moines. All of this blue area here is where the snow will start hitting, possibly around 11:45 p.m. tonight. Let's move it forward again. We're looking at an image from 1:50 a.m. tomorrow morning. Once again, this snow band is starting to develop more and create a bigger band of snow. We're looking at an image from about 4 o'clock a.m. tomorrow morning. As you can see, this whole wide band here, if you're following my cursor, will move up into Iowa. Now to an image around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. It looks like southern Iowa may have some ice here in this pink area with some thunderstorms. Must be very huge temperature differences down in southern Iowa here. But the snow will continue into our next image at 8:15 about tomorrow morning, and this snow will not let up. As you can see, another image from 10:30. It's still covering a majority of the state of Iowa, and it's into Illinois now and Minnesota, and still covering quite a bit of Nebraska. And to our last image for 12:30 tomorrow, our snow is still in the area. It looks like if we go probably 4 or 6 more hours, if it'd let me, our snow would be starting to move out of the area and lessen. Now we're going to go on to the Snowfall Totals, if this loads here. Okay, the National Weather Service out of South Dakota posted this most recent update. As you can see here, I'll have to zoom out here. This dark orange area could be 12 to 18 inches of snow, and that includes Carroll and all of Sac County, a little bit of the southeastern corner of Buena Vista County. The lighter snow is from 8 to 12 inches, 6 to 8 in the tan, and then the dark blue is 4 to 6. The light blue maybe, or the lighter blue is 2 to 3, and then also 1 to 2, as you can see in this area here. And then the really light blue is less than an inch. Let's go to our next snowfall total reading right here. This is from the Iowa Storm Chasing Network. It is also from the National Weather Service, just not the one in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Now this one predicts that this more heavier snow will fall in through here. Once again, Sac County, Didison, Fort Dodge, the very southeastern tip of Buena Vista County. And there's a few more darkened orange areas here on the map. Once again, the dark orange areas will be from 12 to 18 inches of snow possible, 8 to 12 inches in the lighter orange. In the peach color, 6 to 8 inches. In the darker blue color, 4 to 6 inches, and anything below that is 1 to 3 in reality. Let's go to here. This is our watches and warnings for tomorrow or today through Wednesday. As you can see here, the blizzard warning, like I said last night, which I knew would probably get updated today, which it did, is in the red here. It covers the majority of northwestern, north central Iowa. Once again, like I said last night, a winter storm warning has been issued for these counties in the pink. A winter weather advisory, which includes some of the counties that I said would probably get updated to a winter storm warning last night, is here in the blue. A blizzard watch up in this green county. Excuse me. A dense fog advisory is in the gray, which affects southeastern Iowa down here by Atuma. That's about it for that. Now we're going to look at our wind speeds. So this is a forecast for 9 p.m. tonight. As you can see right here, I'm gonna focus around Shaler, which is in Sac County, which is my arrow pointing right here. It looks like we'll be at about 17 miles an hour for the wind speeds tonight at 9 p.m. If we go to 12 a.m., the wind speeds pick up a little bit. Hold steady right around 17 to 20 mile an hour here. As we move forward into 3 a.m., this yellow is a higher wind speed, which keeps moving up, but it looks like we'll keep steady around 17 to 20 miles an hour for the wind speeds at 3 a.m. Now we're going to move to 6 a.m. Central Time on Tuesday, tomorrow morning. In this Sac County right here, it looks like we're going to see about 20 to 25 mile per hour winds, steady winds for 6 a.m. tomorrow. Now this doesn't have the gusts. This is just the steady wind forecast. On this, once again, Sac County right here, we're looking at about 25 to 30 mile an hour steady winds at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Now we're going to go to 12 p.m. tomorrow, and it looks like Sac County is right here. Some will be in that 25 to 30 mile an hour range, and then some will be from 30 to 35, it looks like, or maybe even 25, it says here. But I would not look for any gust less than 40 mile an hour. So that means gust will be, like I said last night, possible up to 60 mile an hour gust. Looking at 3 p.m. tomorrow, we're back down to about the 17 to 20 range here in Sac County. Once again, about 20 mile an hour in Sac County here at 6 p.m. tomorrow night. Now we're going to get back up into about the 20-25 range for 9 p.m. tomorrow night in Sac County. Now we're going to range from 20 to 25 at 12 a.m. on Wednesday for Sac County. And you can kind of go back and watch the video over and map yourself in your county, which is nice. Portions of Sac County here may see 20 to 25 mile an hour winds for 3 a.m. on Wednesday, and some may see just 17 to 20. And our last image, which will be all the further I can go out for now, is 6 a.m. Wednesday morning, and it looks like about the winds are going to hold steady around 17 to 20 mile an hour. Moving on to road conditions, Trooper Vince Kurtz from the Iowa State Patrol has posted this on Facebook and Twitter, which says road closures, tow ban, and travel not advised are all possible for Tuesday. Non-essential travel is discouraged. So once again, if you don't have to travel, please don't stay home. Now we're going to go into the winter safety, like I went over last night, but I'm going to talk more in depth about it right now. Home winter preparedness checklist. Select foods, disposable dishware, specialty items, portable radio, warm clothing like I stressed last night, extra blankets, matches, a shovel or snowblower, flashlights, first aid kit, a cell phone that's fully charged, and firewood for fireplaces. Keep yourself warm and as safe as possible. Do not travel out unless you have to. The winter food survival checklist: canned foods, crackers, nuts, fruit, bars, chips, soups, cookies and hard candy, bread, cereal, and toaster pastries, meals ready to eat, MREs, also known as, and obviously water. For your car checklist, check your engine level fluids, test your battery, Use de-icing washer fluids. Switch to synthetic oil. Inspect your tire tread. Install snow tires if you own a set. Test headlights and taillights. And make sure you carry a winter survival kit. That's very important. Things to include in your car survival kit: flashlight, first aid kit, snow shovel, ice scraper, blanket, sleeping bag, extra clothes, sand, kitty litter, non-perishable food, bottled water, booster cables, a cell phone and a charger, and flares and triangles. All of these things are posted, and I like to make aware of for your safety and to keep as much as safe as possible. Now we're going to go back and recap quick. We're looking at an image from 12:30 tomorrow, which was that. As you can see, the snow is starting to move out of the area. We're going to go back to 11:40 tonight. The snow's just starting to enter the area. As you can see, as I continue, the snow band will continue to move into the state and drop snow on us. Like I said, if you give it at this picture, at this exact time, if you give it about 4 to 6 more hours, that snow should be moving out of the Iowa area if this doesn't build up back here. Our snowfall totals for Shaler, Iowa will be from anywhere from 12 to 18 inches possible, with surrounding communities 8 to 12, and some communities in Iowa 6 to 8 inches, as shown on both these maps here. Our watches and warnings, once again, a portion of Iowa is in a blizzard warning. The pink, or blizzard warning, is in the red. The pink is the winter storm warning. Blue, winter weather advisory. Gray down here is dense fog. Blizzard watch up here. Our wind speeds we went over. You're going to hold steady basically for your wind speeds between 20 to 30 miles an hour, with gusts possibly up to 60. Once again, road closures, tow bans, travel not advised may all be possible Tuesday into Wednesday. Non-essential travel is discouraged. This is from Trooper Vince Kurtz from the Iowa State Patrol. And once again, our weather safety. Be sure, basically what this is saying, be sure to keep warm, be sure to stay hydrated and as safe as possible. Don't venture out if you don't have to. Stay home and let the storm run its course. Like I said, stay safe, stay warm, and I will update you again tonight before I go to bed. Have a good day.